But tonight's top story. Campaigning has ended in phase 1 of the Bihar elections for 121 of the 243 constituencies. It's been a high decibel campaign in the last week in particular, with all the leading political parties' heads coming to Bihar, from Narendra Modi, Amit Shah to Rahul Gandhi, and of course Tejasvi Yadav and Nitish Kumar. It's a big election in particular for Nitish Kumar and Tejasvi Yadav, the two dominant figures of Bihar politics. Not to forget Prashant Kishore, the X factor in this election. But there is another X factor that's been less spoken about that I want to focus on today here in Patna. Think about this. Rupees 10,000 has been given under the Mukhyamantri Rozgar Yojana to more than 1.4 crore women. That's not all. The money continues to be dispersed even as the campaign is on. The opposition is crying foul, saying this is a violation of the Model Code of Conduct. But the Election Commission appears to be defending it, saying this was an ongoing scheme, even though the cash disbursement started just a couple of weeks before the polls were announced. Is this simply a voter bribe, giving 10,000 rupees even while elections are on to women voters? Or is it sharp election strategy? That's going to be my top focus. But first, take a look at our top story.
इस योजना की मदद से बिहार की मेरी बहनें अपना कारोबार कर सकती हैं।
The Mukhyamantri Mahila Rozgar Yojana, which gives 10,000 rupees to one woman per family, has become the NDA's unique selling point in Bihar. The scheme was launched on September 26th by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who transferred money into accounts of 75 lakh women, a total of 7,500 crore rupees. Launched just 10 days before elections were announced on October 6th, the cash transfer has invited criticism from opposition leaders, who are calling it a daylight bribery of voters. RJD MP Manoj Jha shot off a letter this week to the Election Commission, pointing out the transfers have continued even after elections were announced. Jha says direct cash transfers of 10,000 rupees have happened on October 17th, 24th and 31, long after announcements of polls. And another disbursement is scheduled for November 7th, just 4 days before the second phase of voting. The RJD MP called the cash transfer by the Nitish Kumar government brazen violation of the Model Code of Conduct. He urged the Election Commission to take immediate and strong action.
चुनाव आयोग स्वच्छ और निष्पक्ष चुनाव कराने में असफल रहा है। चुनाव के समय में 10,000 रुपये अगर दिए जा रहे हैं तो ये तो पूरा मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट का वायलेशन है। आखिर चुनाव आयोग क्यों शांत है?
चुनाव आयोग आचार संहिता लगने के पहले स्कीम आ गई, पहली किस्त महिलाओं की चली गई, और जो पैसे जा रहे हैं उसके पहले से हम लोगों ने चुनाव आयोग से परमिशन ले रखा है तिथि वाइज कि इस डेट को सरकार की योजनाएं जाएंगी, क्योंकि कल्याणकारी राज्य की स्थापना का मतलब कल्याणकारी योजनाएं नहीं रोकी जा सकती। उनका काम कोरी लफाजी, हमारा काम जनता की सेवा करना है।
The fuming Mahagathbandhan, caught on the back foot, is playing catch-up. The Alliance's Chief Minister faced Tejasvi Yadav on Tuesday tripled the cash offer to women if the Mahagathbandhan came to power.
मकर संक्रांति के दिन खरवास के ठीक बाद यानी 14 जनवरी को माँ बहन मान योजना के तहत 30,000 रुपया माताओं और बहनों के खाते में 14 जनवरी को हम लोग डालेंगे।
Meanwhile, the cash transfers have become a talking point on the ground.
हम लोग के लिए सुविधा चाहिए, जिसका बाथरूम नहीं है, जिसका नल नहीं है, जो भूखे लिए मर रहे हैं, उसको कुछ काम लगाइए, बढ़िया नौकरी लगाइए, तब न जानेंगे सरकार के लिए कि हम लोग के लिए इतना करे हैं।
ये हमको 10,000 रुपया मिला है, तो हम लोग 7 गो बकरी किने हैं, तब हम हरा सब्जी के बिजनेस किए हैं।
There is a reason why Bihar's political parties are wooing women. Since 2010, the women turnout have been consistently increased. In the 2020 assembly polls, the women's turnout was 60%, outvoting the men by 6 points. And once again, women could become a deciding factor in 2025. With Rohit Kumar Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.